Learn how to make money on Instagram by taking this online course. Heads up, all products featured here are selected by Mashable's commerce team and meet our rigorous standards for awesomeness. If you buy something, Mashable may earn an affiliate commission. If you can't walk down the sidewalk without running into someone with their head buried in their phone, there's a 95% chance it's because they're scrolling through their Instagram feed. It's probably no surprise to most of you that Instagram is one of the most popular social platforms in the world, clocking in at a whopping 800 million active users as of September 2017. See also, take professional quality iPhone pictures with one of these clip-on lens adapters. Instagram is one of the hottest emerging social media channels for commerce. Just think of the way products, clothing, and other retail items are tagged, and how many people purchase based off of profiles. This Instagram marketing crash course for entrepreneurs can help you leverage the platform to build your brand and increase sales. This course includes 23 lectures and 2 hours of quality content that you can access anytime you'd like. It walks you through practical strategies, methods, and tips to build an audience from the ground up, gain thousands of loyal followers, and create the right media to attract and engage people. You'll also learn how to monetize your company's Instagram, or your personal brand, so you can turn the social platform into a legitimate business strategy. Get this Instagram marketing crash course for entrepreneurs for $10, or 94% off its regular price. Image, Soren Constantin. Save 94% on the Instagram marketing crash